hide your key, hide your wallet, and don't click on shit. Because they're hacking everybody up in here.
What up, y'all? JP, the smartest, not exactly influencer in the crypto business.
You know it's true.
If you're having a problem cashing out at Coinbase, you think you've done everything right, this video may help. Now, if you deposit money from your bank account into Coinbase, there's a 5 to 7 business day hold on it, so you won't be able to withdraw it. But if you transfer it from another wallet, those funds should be available instantly. Now, when you look at your balance, it'll say available balance. Now, whatever your available balance says it is, that should be available to withdraw at that point. Well, it wasn't working for me. I had available balance and I kept trying to cash out. When I clicked on my bank, hit preview transfer, nothing was happening. So I put it on my Coinbase card, went to the ATM machine, nothing happened. So I said, what the fuck is going on here? So I called the Coinbase card and I got some asshole who basically wanted to brush me off and say, just wait for the email. No, motherfucker, I'm not waiting for the fucking email. Tell me what's going on. You're the customer service. So I stayed on the phone with him for about half hour and we got nowhere. He kept feeding me a line of shit. When you Google search it, you'll just keep going in a circle. It'll keep going back to the same search results of 5 to 7 day hold and this, that, and all the other bullshit. Finally, I connected with the online messaging to the real Coinbase, not the card service. And the rep asked me, am I using Coinbase Pro, Coinbase.com, or Coinbase Wallet? I told her I'm using the fucking Coinbase app on my Android device. She put me on hold for what seems like eternity. It's probably like 10 more minutes. In the meantime, I said, what the fuck? Why not go directly on Coinbase.com and try to withdraw it? Well, I did, and it fucking worked. So if you're having problems, first thing I suggest doing is going to Coinbase.com, skipping the fucking app. Get off the app and go to Coinbase.com. Try that. Hopefully that works for you guys. Y'all should like this fucking video. Smart people are already subscribed, and the smart people that aren't subscribed are subscribing right now. So if you want to be a smart person, subscribe, and fuck it, I'm out.